So hey guys, so as I said in my last video, we fix the headphones in my last video, and we're gonna customize headphones in this video. So yeah, if your headphones are broken, you could go to my last video. I'll keep that somewhere on the screen here. You should go watch it, and let's get right into fixing the customizing headphones and pen. So you need a metal strip like this. So it's pretty good now. I mean, even if I don't do anything to it, it's like totally rigid. So the next step is to cover this in a layer of tape so that we can customize it as we want. Next, you need a paintbrush, like this one. You need one big one and a small one. It shouldn't be too small like this one because this is like too small, and they will be difficult to work with. This much is fine. Let's get started. And also sorry. You also need some newspaper. I'm using newspaper because there's like no use to it after you read it. So you could use newspaper. You could also use normal paper, but yeah, I'm using newspaper. And you need glue. A lot of glue. This much is too much. Even like this much should be enough. That is fine. So yeah, that's all you need, and let's continue. So first of all, you need to tear the newspaper in small pieces, not too small, but not too big. So like this much is like perfect, absolutely perfect. So yeah. So I have newspapers here. So many of you might know what I'm trying to do here. So this is just a different form of paper mache, and then you just take your glue, open the top part up like this, and then take your big paintbrush. Okay, I can't find my other one, so I would tell me that. And so just take paint, and so we're gonna start with the middle. Just put a layer of glue, a good layer of glue, so that it sticks to it really well. And don't worry, nothing's gonna happen. It's just a form of paper mache. That's why we use tape, so that we don't glue directly onto the headphone. So now that we have put a layer of glue here, so obviously we take a piece of paper which is not too thick and just put it there. And yeah, so we put a layer of glue over that too, so that it like merges with the thing, like the headphone. Take the shape of the headphone. You get like what I'm saying. So now we're just gonna take another piece, big one maybe. I take this one, and then put another layer like that, and just keep continuing like on the whole thing. Cut to a montage. Note that this might take a little bit of time, so yeah, so stay ready for that. But this is gonna turn out to be awesome, so it's gonna be worth all the effort you put in it. So the more the effort you put in it, the better it's gonna turn out, like obviously. So yeah, back to the time lapse. So I have dried the whole thing, and this is how it looks. So that's like paper mache kind of feel. And so now the sides are also left like this. So now we put that over this also, and I have finished covering up the whole thing in newspaper, and I let it dry in the night. So make sure that you cover every space where there's duct tape with newspaper. And so yeah, so this part is complete. So now, so because this doesn't look that uniform, So now he's gonna put one sheet of plain paper on this. You can also use one sheet of plain newspaper. I mean, newspaper. Newspaper is not plain, so yeah, you can use a piece of newspaper, long strip. So yeah, so we're gonna measure it and then put it. So first of all, we're gonna measure this. This is about 3.5. Cut it down. I'm gonna make two straight lines out of this, perpendicular to each other, in parallel to each other, perpendicular to the bottom. Measure the sides, which is 0.5, and then obviously this part again, so which is also the same size as this one. So yeah, that's gonna be 3.5 for me. That's gonna be different for. So we're gonna do half of this much, this thing over here. That will be around, so I'm gonna do 1.25 or 21.75. So yeah, now we're gonna measure this much. What is this? This is 3. And so since this is curved, this is gonna be longer than it actually looks like. So which is like, I'm gonna just cut out 3.5 centimeters. 3.5, and yeah, I'm gonna make straight line like this. And there we go, that's basically a net. And so the thing I'm gonna measure this with is, I'm just gonna take this, put it like at the bottom, and then curve it so it's like kind of straight, and like that, and then measure where this ends. This ends here for me, so I'm just gonna measure this part. So I've been playing with these headphones for like 1 or 2 hours now, and they work better than before somehow, and I forgot to run the lights. So as I said, they work better than before, and they look great. And as you can probably see, the only thing left is to color it, and this calls for a montage time. So this is what you have been waiting for. So as you can see, there's Earth here with a meteorite, and there's a telescope here, and that girl from Wall-E. Okay, I don't know, there's some robot. I don't know if it's a girl or not. Yeah, so there's an electricity thing here. Then there's YouTube here, controller, gamer, as you can see, and there's a rocket here, skeleton here, and then as you can see over here, there's the Schrodinger's cat experiment. That's something I might explain in a different video. Or you can search it up. There's a lot of videos on that. And then there's the alien. So the end result depends on what your artistic skills are. I don't draw that well. I mean, I draw really well. Okay, I can't say that. Yeah, so yeah, I don't draw doodles. I draw perspective drawings, like with straight lines and everything. So you can see them pop up here, maybe if I have them right now. So yeah, this really, the end result depends on your artistic skills. So it doesn't have to be like very doodly like this. It can be just plain colors. It will still look better than your older headphones because it's like literally just black. So over the course of the video, you might have seen many versions of me. Like the first part was like I hadn't even combed my hair. The second part was the editor me. Yeah, like this is still the editor me, but that was like the pre-editor me maybe. So this video took me like 2 months, both of them. The first part, fix your headphones, and then customize headphones. And by the way, if you want to fix your headphones, you can look here, or before I'll put them both here and there maybe, where I showed the recap. So why did I take 2 months? Cause school sucks the shit out of me. Yeah, too much. So the video is finally finished, and the end result looks really cool. And transition to the old me. Boom. So the added benefit of putting tape over your headphones and then pasting that paper mache kind of thing over it is that you can just remove the paper mache thing, and so you don't have to fix the headphone over again. So like fix it and then do the paper mache thing, and then if you want to change it, you don't have to take the whole thing out. I mean, like fix it or something. So yeah, and so don't be like, oh, why are you doing that? Why did you put tape on your headphones?
Hey, alright, why did you do that? My headphones ruined.
Or something like that. Yeah. So my point is, this is what you can do. So yeah, I'll need to open the earlier one up, and I don't want to open this up because if something goes wrong, then that could be trouble. But yeah, so we'll do this, and thank you for watching, guys. So please like, share, subscribe, and everything you do. Yeah, so if your friend's headphones or your headphones are broken, so please share this video to him or yourself. Yeah, just watch it. So I'm gonna leave that here, and so that I get views. Yeah, so I hope that would fix your headphones, or they turned out how you wanted them to be. So yeah, so if you are facing a problem, you could write down in the comment section below. I'll help you out, or I'll give you some suggestion on how to tackle that. And yeah, that's the end of the video. This is the how to fix your headphones. This is another video YouTube thinks you should watch. This is another video that YouTube thinks you should watch. This is where you can subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.